All right, let's get you the latest on the snowburst moving across central Indiana. This is I-69 in Martinsville, a camera that's going to change dramatically in terms of what it's going to show us here in the next 15 minutes. Burst of snow about to move through this location, and it's these darker shades of blue, and you can see just how fast they're moving. So it's not going to just sit over one area and drop, you know, a quick couple of inches of snow. These are fast movers that produce rapidly changing visibility and road conditions, mainly going to be bridges, overpasses impacted by this due to the temperature profile. But they're going to be most numerous here in the next hour, I think, from Nineveh, Columbus, Seymour. You can see you got to still go through what's cutting across 69 there. And that's going to put Greensburg in play. And then as we look back to the west, this is the backside of the snow shower action. And that line will move from west to east over the next 4 hours. So that means we got a long way to go here. We're about an hour away from sunset. We're flirting with the freezing mark here in Indy. It's 31 in Lafayette. Remember, bridges, overpasses are much colder. So those are the surfaces that will be more in play for slick spots here between now and midnight. And then after midnight, notice these temperatures. Going to drop down into the teens, so anything that's left over on the roads is going to get a little bit slick tomorrow morning and out the door early tomorrow morning. And, yeah, we're going to be in the 10 below to near zero wind chill range. So it is going to be a stinger of a commute and bus stop and school drop off tomorrow morning. And I would imagine outdoor time at schools tomorrow will definitely be limited. Now, biggest change from yesterday in terms of forecast is that a lot of the modeling now picking up on a little bit of light snow. Whether or not it's going to be right over Indy or if it's going to be just to the north, that's still a little uncertain. But tomorrow, I think, will be more impactful on the roads because it's going to be a bit more widespread and it's going to be much colder tomorrow. We're not going to be above freezing when that snow happens. We're only going to be in the middle 20s. So we're going to have some road issues tomorrow afternoon. And then as we move forward in time with Future Track 13, a quiet weather day on Friday. And then as we go into the weekend here, turning wet Saturday afternoon and to start out Sunday. And that's the beginning of what's going to be impactful next week. We got multiple rain systems. That first one on Sunday, Monday. And then the next one comes in Monday night and early Tuesday. All right, let's get you an update on the roads here across central Indiana. So this is the vantage point. This is in northern Boone County. You can see it's slow going traffic there. And let's show you the maps here. That's one trouble location. That started roughly about an hour ago. You can see some heavy backups there along 65. They are in northern Boone and southern Tippecanoe County. We'll show you how this is going to play out here as we move through. And then we'll show you as we go into, we got some burst of snow here across central Indiana. Notice some sun peeking out on that particular camera view. A couple of accidents. That one we talked about on Michigan Road. There's also one on 74 near 34th Street. And then want to show you one more camera quickly. This is again in Johnson or in Morgan County, near Martinsville. There you go. We said it would change, and boom, this is what we've been talking about here this afternoon.
Yeah.